I had no idea how cute and tiny a mini waffle maker actually is. And today I'm going to be doing my first chaffle recipe. Anything chaffle. See how it goes. So I'm not really sure how much to put on, but we'll see what happens. Smells good. Looks like that may have been too much because it's rising. It does have baking powder in it. We'll see. Uh-oh. Okay, so after 4 minutes, this is what we're looking like. Let's see. Okay. Uh-oh. All right, so 4 minutes. It looks really good. It's my timer going off. Whoa. Well, my very first chaffles attempt. I'm excited. Cool. I have here a grilled chicken club chaffle sandwich.